Hello everyone, in this lecture I will tell you that how you can create the conditional statements like if else statement or any other statement. So first create a script and conditional statements. So suppose I am going to ask the user to enter some number, and when I enter a number, I will store it in the variable x. Input, enter a number, and when the user enter a number, I will apply some condition. If the user has inserted a number that is less than or equal to greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 15, then y is equal to 100 steric x. Else, if the user has entered a value that is greater than 15 and x is less than 1 or equal to 100, then y is equal to minus 40. Else, if the user has inserted any other number, then y is equal to 1000 and display y. Now if I execute this, enter a number, I am going to insert 45. The answer is, since 45 is in between so x was greater than 0 and less than 15. No, x was okay, so x was within the range. Oh, there is some mistake. There is some mistake within the code. Okay, so here Matlab has suggested me that you must write and command over here. Like I will have to write that if x is greater than 0, greater than or equal to 0, and x is less than or equal to 15. Similarly, the second statement will be changed. If x is greater than 15 and if x is less than or equal to 100, else that. Now I'm going to insert 45, so it has given me an output of minus 40. If I insert a value between the 0 and 15, so it will be multiplied by 100. And if I insert a number that is minus something something something, so the result comes out to be 1000. So this was all about the if else condition. So you can include more condition like else if x is greater than 2000, then y is this one, else y is equal to 66. So when I inserted 5000, it has resulted me let y is equal to 1000. So you can add more conditions within the MATLAB script. Within the After this was the complete lecture. Within the other lecture, I will show you how you can create loops in MATLAB.